We all love a good Sunday dinner, right? Lots of potatoes, carrots, peas, maybe some broccoli if you're feeling brave. But have you ever thought about how those veggies get from the farm to your plate? It's a long trip and it all starts with the farmer. Farming is hard work. It's tough, and it used to be a lot harder before all the cool new machines. Back in the day, everything was done by hand. Picking, sorting, packing, everything. It took tons of people and it took forever. Now, things are different. We have tractors as big as houses and machines that can pick a strawberry super fast. These machines are changing how we grow and pick our veggies, and they're getting even smarter. They're better, faster, and they're helping to feed the whole world. Okay, let's talk tractors. These big machines have been around for a long time, but they're way better than the old ones your grandpa used. We're talking big engines, GPS, and air conditioning that's nicer than my apartment. These tractors are like computers on wheels, and they can do everything from digging up the ground to planting the seeds. And when it comes to harvesting, they're amazing. Think about potato harvesters. These things are like giant metal claws digging up potatoes really fast, and they don't just dig, they separate the potatoes from the dirt, leaving neat rows. It's really cool to watch. And then there are carrot harvesters, onion harvesters, lettuce harvesters. Each one is made to pick its veggie carefully and quickly. It's much easier than bending over in the fields all day. Now, some of you might be thinking, all these machines seem a little cold. Where's the human touch in all this? Don't worry, people are still very important, but the technology is there to help, not to replace people. Take selective harvesting, for example. These machines use sensors and cameras to find the ripe veggies, so only the best ones end up in your grocery cart. It's like having lots of really good eyes checking everything, but without the breaks and chatting. And then there's GPS technology. This technology is changing how farmers drive around their fields. Tractors can drive themselves, following a planned route perfectly. This means no more missed spots, no more going over the same spot twice, and no more arguments about who drives the straightest lines. Section 4. From field to factory, the journey through the processing plant. After the veggies are picked, they go to the processing plant. These places are like something from a sci-fi movie. Conveyor belts moving all over, machines washing, sorting, and peeling super fast. It's all shiny metal, and it's all designed to get those veggies ready for you to eat as quickly as possible. First, the veggies get a good wash. No more dirty potatoes or sandy spinach. These fancy washing machines use water and gentle shaking to get rid of any dirt, leaving the veggies super clean. Next, they get sorted. This is where things get really interesting. Optical sorters use cameras and lasers to find and remove any bad veggies. They can even see tiny problems that we can't. It's like having tiny inspectors, making sure only the best veggies get through. Section 5. Advancements in efficiency technology's impact on vegetable production. In recent years, technology has revolutionized the way we grow vegetables, making farming more efficient and sustainable. Now, I know what you're thinking. All this technology sounds really expensive, and you're right, it is. The initial investment can be quite high, and it might seem daunting for small-scale farmers, but it's worth it in the long run. These technologies pay for themselves over time by increasing yields and reducing costs. The benefits are clear. With tech-supported farming, we see healthier crops and more abundant harvests. This means more food for everyone and better income for farmers. These machines aren't just faster, they're also better. They use less water, less energy, and less fertilizer. This efficiency is crucial in a world where resources are becoming scarcer. And that means cheaper veggies and less pollution. It's good for everyone. Consumers get affordable, high-quality produce, and the environment benefits from reduced waste and emissions. Take precision agriculture, for example. This is where technology helps us be more careful with our resources. By using advanced tools, farmers can optimize every aspect of their operations. This is where technology helps us be more careful with our resources. By using sensors, GPS, and computer programs, farmers can monitor their crops in real time. By using sensors, GPS, and computer programs, farmers can watch their crops all the time. They can see exactly how much water and fertilizer each plant needs. Farmers can watch their crops all the time. They can see exactly how much water and fertilizer each plant needs. This means less waste, healthier plants, and a healthier planet. They can see exactly how much water and fertilizer each plant needs. This means less waste, healthier plants, and a healthier planet. Precision agriculture ensures that every resource is used efficiently, and then there are robots. These advanced machines are transforming the agricultural landscape. Now, I know what you're thinking. Robots are going to take our jobs. Well, it's true that robots are changing farming. But they're not here to replace people. They're here to make their jobs easier. Robots can handle repetitive and labor-intensive tasks, freeing up farmers to focus on more strategic and creative work. They're here to make their jobs easier. Robots can do the boring and hard jobs so people can do more interesting work. This collaboration between humans and machines is the future of farming, so people can do more interesting work. The future of farming is bright, with technology paving the way for more efficient, sustainable, and enjoyable agricultural practices. Section 6. Benefits beyond the bottom line. Sustainability and quality in focus. This section delves into how modern agricultural practices are not just about increasing yields, but also about ensuring long-term sustainability and quality. Let's talk about the good things that come from all this technology. It's not just about making farming easier or more efficient, it's about creating a better future for everyone. And I'm not just talking about more veggies and more money, although those are good things too. The benefits extend far beyond the immediate financial gains. I'm talking about things that really matter, helping the planet and making sure our food is good. It's about nurturing the environment and ensuring that future generations have access to nutritious food. Sustainability is important these days. With climate change and resource depletion, we need to adopt practices that protect our planet. We need to find ways to grow more food with less stuff. And technology is how we do it. Innovations in farming techniques and equipment are key to achieving this balance. Precision agriculture, for example, is helping farmers use less water and fertilizer, which is good for the planet and saves money. This method ensures that resources are used efficiently, reducing waste and environmental impact. And then there's food waste. Reducing waste is crucial for sustainability. Did you know that a lot of food gets thrown away? This is a significant issue that needs addressing. That's a big waste, and technology can help. By improving storage, transportation and processing, we can significantly reduce food waste. By making storage, transportation and processing better, we can waste less food and make sure more people have good food to eat. This not only helps in feeding more people, but also in conserving resources. And let's not forget about quality. Ensuring the quality of produce is just as important as increasing its quantity. These fancy machines aren't just fast, they also make sure our food is good. They help in maintaining high standards of quality. Optical sorters, for example, can find tiny problems that we can't see. This technology ensures that only the best produce makes it to the market. This means that only the best veggies get to your table. By combining sustainability with quality, we can create a food system that benefits everyone. Section 7, a glimpse into the future, cultivating innovation in vegetable production. So what will farming look like in the future? Imagine a world where technology and nature work hand in hand to produce the freshest, healthiest vegetables. Well, it's going to be amazing. Picture farms that are not just fields, but high-tech hubs of innovation. Technology is changing so fast, and there are so many possibilities for agriculture. From AI-driven analytics to precision farming, the future is bright. We're talking about vertical farms where crops are grown in tall buildings. These vertical farms can save space and resources while producing more food. We're talking about drones that can watch crops from the sky, finding bugs and problems before they get big. These drones can monitor plant health and even apply treatments precisely where needed. We're even talking about robots that can pick fruits and vegetables very gently. These robots can work tirelessly, ensuring that the produce is handled with care. It's a great time to be a farmer with all these tools at their disposal, and an even better time to love veggies. The quality and variety of vegetables will only improve. So the next time you eat some yummy veggies, remember the journey they took to get to your plate. Think about everything that happened to get them to you. From the innovative farming techniques to the careful handling and processing, from the field to the factory, every step is crucial. From the farm to your fork, it's a journey of dedication and technology. It's thanks to the hard work of farmers and engineers all over the world. Their collaboration is key to this agricultural revolution. And who knows what the future will bring? The possibilities are endless. One thing's for sure, with technology helping us, we can expect even more advancements. The future of veggies is looking good. Let's embrace this exciting future together.